Now if you say min and you use no pronoun, again brothers and sisters, okay. Now you use the pronoun again, okay. Min. Very easy, very simple. Once you get into that, momentum, it becomes extremely easy, brother. It becomes extremely easy. What is it, brother? Start from min. Minhu, minhuma, minhum, minha, minhuma, minhunna, minka, minkuma, minkum, minki, minkuma, minkunna, minni, minna. And if I say anything, brother, you will be able to do it. Just for the sake of fun. This is what we'll do in book 2, but I'm doing it now. Because it is in the Quran. Just for the sake of fun. If I, see, you started it. Can you do 14? I bet you can do it. Ready? Innahu, innahuma, innahum, innaha, innahuma, innahunna, innaka, innakuma, innakum, innaki, innakuma, innakunna, inni, innana. You can say both ways. Innani you can say, or you can say inni, or you can say inna, or you can say innana. Both will be correct. Both will be correct. How easily you said it, brother.
How would you write inni?
Okay. You can write down two ways, innani, or you will say inni. Or you will say innana, or you will say inna. Ji? Ji?
Inna is more used, right?
Yeah, inna is more. But both are correct. Both are correct. Yeah. Are you with me? So, did you see how much with ease you were able to say it? Yes. Oh, don't ask me that. That is book 2, brother. We are only trying to conjugate. Didn't I tell you about that student who had come from some madrasa in India, and he had worked very hard. He was a brilliant student. When he went to the Middle East to study more, and he always used to say, I know grammar very well, I can conjugate anything, So the teacher gave him some word, he wrote it down something. And, because as we wrote down this, I can write down anything and you will be able to conjugate. Are you with me there? Let me write down. What will this be now? Annahu, annahuma, annahum, annaha, annahuma, annahunna, annaka. See, now I'm using anna, all the annaka, annakuma, annakum, annaki, annakuma, annakunna, anni, anna. Now come to lakin. Lakinnahu, lakinnahuma, lakinnahum, lakinnaha, lakinnahuma, lakinnahunna, lakinnaka, lakinnakuma, lakinnakum, lakinnaki, lakinnakuma, lakinnakunna, lakinnani, lakinnana. Brother, did you have any difficulty in doing it? Sisters? Inshallah, no difficulty. So, these are the things which will make it very easy now. And whenever you will see these combinations, your mind will immediately understand in a fraction of a sentence. Okay? Now, do not do anything with inna. Just forget it that you don't know it. Otherwise you will get into trouble. Because it is a different ball game. which we will do in book 2, inshallah, very soon. We hope to finish book 1 by the end of the month, inshallah. And then beginning of December, we will start book 2, inshallah. But I won't go fast. If there is need for revision, I will revise. You will tell me, and I will revise again. Are you with me, brother? Now, that student, let me finish the story. So the teacher wrote down a word and said, conjugate. And he conjugated everything. He said, what is the meaning of this word? He said, I don't know. You don't know and you conjugate it? Yes, I can conjugate anything. He said, brother, this word does not exist in Arabic language. You conjugated something that does not exist in Arabic language. He said, how do I know? To me it looked like a verb, so I conjugated. So you will become so strong, you will conjugate anything. Because the rules are there in your mind, how it works, So inshallah you will find that when we go to book 3, which is such a thick book, but it is most beautiful book of the 3 books. Because your foundation is there. Your foundation is there, you will find it most interesting, inshallah. Okay, fine. Now we come to Allah. Now, what is the difference between Allah and min? The difference is that Allah ends with a ya. It's a ya. Even though it is alif, it is a ya. Brothers and sisters, Allah. What will be Allah? Will become, you put who to it? Alayhi. Why did you make it he? No, phonetic reason, but why? Because ya came with a sukoon. So if there is a kasra before the pronoun who, huma, hum, huma, hunna, or ya before who, huma, hum, huma, hunna, then the who will become he, huma will become hima, hum will become him, huma will become hima, and hunna will become hinna. Are you with me? Are you with me? Inshallah. So brother, start now. Alayhi, alayhima, alayhim, alayha. No change. Alayhima, alayhinna. And then alayka, alaykuma, alaykum, alayki, alaykuma, alaykunna, and then alayya. Because 2 ya came, now we have to give a fatha. I explained to you the other day. Alayya. And then alayna. Let us do quickly. Ila. Ilayhi, ilayhima, ilayhim, ilayha, ilayhima, ilayhinna, ilayka, ilaykuma, ilaykum, ilayki, ilaykuma, ilaykunna, ilayya, ilayna. Got the idea about that? Fi. Fihi, fihima, fihim, fiha, fihima, fihinna, fika, fikuma, fikum, fiki, fikuma, fikunna, fiya, fina. Got the idea about that? Next one, bi. Bihi, bihima, bihim, biha, bihima, bihinna, bika, bikuma, bikum, biki, bikuma, bikunna, bina. MashaAllah. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? An, anhu, anhuma, anhum, anha, anhuma, anhunna, anka, ankuma, ankum, anki, ankuma, ankunna, anni, anna. Very good. Now comes li. Ready? Lihu? No. Lahu. Lahu. Li will become lahu. Alright? Got the idea? Now, brothers and sisters, you got to write it. You got to write this at home, then inshallah you will never ever forget it. Everything, even in the handout, we have done for you, but you have to write it on a separate page. All of these things. Writing will make you strong. Lahu, lahuma, lahum, laha, lahuma, lahunna, laka, lakuma, lakum, laki, lakuma, lakunna, li, lana. MashaAllah. It's not given in the book. We have given you separate handout in order to make you strong, so that when you come to the lessons become halwa puri. The lessons become halwa puri. Are you with me? Becomes very easy. Becomes delicious, brother. Okay? Like delicio. Okay? Are you with me, brother? I felt when I was studying that doing these things, when you have an idea, you know what it means, you know it's jar majroor, things become very easy, brother. Very, very easy for you. Okay? Now we come to zarf. There are many zarf. But these are the most common and popular. Ma'a, ma'ahu, ma'ahuma, ma'ahum, ma'aha, ma'ahuma, ma'ahumma, ma'ahunna, ma'aka, ma'akuma, ma'akum, ma'aki, ma'akuma, ma'akunna, ma'i, and then ma'ana. See? And it can come with tahta and fauka and everything. Same, yes, brother. For ma'i. Because, see, here is ma'a. Come our favorite ya mutakallim. What will it do, Brother Farooq? It will bring it down. It doesn't like fatha. So ma'a became ma'i. And I always say, remember how many words are there? 2. Ma'a plus ya. And if I say, how many words are here? 2. One is harf jar, and then other is ism majroor. Harf jar hai, ism majroor. That ya is majroor now. And if I write down, brother, li, how many words are there? There are 2 words. One is harf jar, and what is this? That is why I tell you, harf jar, you got to say loudly, brother. Harf jar, ism majroor. Anytime you hear me looking at you and say harf jar, I need an answer. Ism majroor, so that you will never ever forget. And when the ism is majroor, you will give it a kasra. You will not give it a dhamma. You will never make a mistake then. No, any harf jar ism majroor. Ya mutakallim, it will bring it down. This is what I meant. See, ma'i came. But if I say lahu, brother, what is lahu? Jarun wa majroor. So where is harf jar? Where is ism majroor? So if I tell you harf jar, ism majroor. Every time there is a harf jar, the noun will be majroor with a kasra. Now there is no kasra here. Why? Because it is mabni, because it is fixed. It is fixed. That is why. Okay? Now we come to inda. Ready? Indahu, indahuma, indahum, indaha, indahuma, indahunna, indaka, indakuma, indakum, indaki, indakuma, indakunna, indi, indana. Indana. Okay. Now if I say min, what will happen now? Let me write down, brother. Indahu. Now I want to write down min here. What will happen now? Min in the, now the came, he will come. Why did you put he? Because there is a kasra there. Are you with me? It's easy. Remember, in this is a noun. In the zarf, adverb is a noun. So what is this? Min in the jarun or majrurun. And what is this? Zarf and mudafil. What will you call it? Zarf and mudafil. See? Very logical. Jarun, majrurun, and the next compound is zarf and mudafil, inshallah. So this is total revision, brother, from yesterday. And you wrote the Quranic verses. Write down again. And now you think about lakum dinukum wali dini. Actually it is dini, but ya mutakalam is dropped. Style of the Quran. Are you with me? And then fi qulubihim maradun ala absarihim gishawatun walahum azabun azimun. So what is lahum? Jarun wa majrurun. And again I told you yesterday, brothers and sisters, this is a golden rule to remember. Jarun wa majrurun and zarf with mudaf ilayhi, they can never ever be mubtada. You have to remember this golden rule. They can never be mubtada. Or you don't have to write it, but that you've got to just remember it now. क्या कहा मैंने कि jar majroor, which is shibbu jumla, and zarf with mudaf ilayhi, that is another shibbu jumla, they will never ever be mubtada. They can become khabar. So if they start the sentence, you do not have to be gabrified and say it came in the beginning, so min is mubtada. No, brother. It is jar majroor. Inshallah you will remember this. Okay, brothers and sisters. Enough of revision? Alhamdulillah. Okay. Now we come to same thing yesterday that I was doing. Page number 56. Ajib anil as'ilatil atiyati. Answer the following questions. Masmuka. Ismi Muhammadun. Now, brothers and sisters, this is a good thing you practice. This is the good thing you practice. Ask each other. Muhammad, masmuka ya akhi?
Ismi Muhammad.
Masmuha?
Salma.
See, immediately your mind will pick up. Ismuha. Masmuhu?
Ismuhu Abdul Qadir.
Abdul Qadir. Got the idea? Ask this question to everybody. Okay? Ask this question to everybody. Masmuka, okay. Masmuki? Salma. Masmuhu? Ismuhu? Muhammad. You will have to, so when you will practice, you will become fast. Masmuha? Abi. So the point is, besides the name, you will have to say ismuha or ismuhu. Okay? And when you are asked yourself, you will answer with ismi. And what is ismi, brother? I know that. What is ismi? Mudaf, mudaf ilayhi. That is the thing that should sink in our mind. What is ismi? Mudaf. Ismuha, mudaf, mudaf. Ismuhum, hu, ismuhu, mudaf, mudaf. If I say ismuhu, mudaf, mudaf ilayhi. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? These things should, inshallah, we will remember. So, masmuka, and answer is ismi. It's very easy. Ana min al-Hindi. Okay. Ma lugatuka. Lugati al-urdiyatu. Al-urdiyatu. See, answer will, aina abuka. Abi. Your answer will be Abi fil Kuwait. Okay. Fil Kuwait. Aina ummuka. Ummi. Aidan fil Kuwait. Fine. Alaka khun. Naam. What will you say? Li akhun wahidun. Wahidun. You will always say li, and you won't say indi akhun wahidun. That will be wrong. That will be a very poor Arabic. You will always say li akhun wahidun. And we will study a little bit more why it is like that, inshallah. Alaka ukhtun. Naam. Li ukhtun wahidatun. Wahidatun. Indaka sayaratun. Naam. Hindi sayaratun. Or you will say la Ma indi sayaratun. Ma is a negation. Brother, most of us, except for Sister Abir and Sister Fatima, Brother Abdul Qadir, probably Brother Salman, the rest of us left school long time ago. Brother Farooq is also young. He's a student. We left school and colleges and university long time ago. Now we are again back to school. We are again student. We retired or we have time, we are back to student. And you know, it's fun to be student again. And we should work hard. Harder than the young fellow, to give them a good competition. To give them a good competition. There is a big competition going on, Abdul Qadir. Now let us see, these retired people can beat you, or you are smarter in studies only I'm talking about with them, you know, inshallah. May Allah bless us all with love and energy and hikmah to understand his language. Yeah.
It's also a niyama to allow us to be here. It's not everybody would like to be here, if you would not be here.
I agree with you 100%, Brother Abdul Samad. To be here is a niyama. You know, it's a blessing of Allah. What will you achieve? You cannot put a price tag on it. It is priceless. And as I said, you know, Brother Abdul Samad, giving a sacrifice of time, driving all the way from Oakville or Burlington or Oshawa or Pickering for 1 hour, and so Allah will consider all of it as your ibadat, because you are doing for His love. Sitting here, brothers, is our ibadat. When you will do homework, Brother Abdul Qadir, it is your ibadat. When you will gossip with your friends, that is not your ibadat. When you will watch your television, it is not your ibadat. Are you with me? Are you with me? I always give example, brother. In the other class, I gave them an example. Okay, the biggest problem we have in our life is television. That is the biggest problem. The biggest thief that the shaitan has created in this universe is the television. What does it do? It steals our time. What does it do? It steals our time. And we do not realize that somebody is robbing us of our valuable, precious asset, which is our time. So I mixed up one song, you know. Those who do not know Urdu, I will translate. Is duniya mein sab chor chor. Is duniya mein sab chor chor. What did I say, Sister Maimuna? Everybody in this world is a thief. Everybody. Including you, including me, including him, everybody is a thief. This is what the writer is saying. इस दुनिया में सब चोर चोर, इस दुनिया में सब चोर चोर, कोई पैसा चोर, कोई मुर्गी चोर, और कोई दिल का चोर. Didn't you steal your wife's heart? Of course you stole her heart. So you are a thief. And didn't you steal his heart? Yes, you stole his heart. So you are also a thief. So you are also a thief. You don't have your own heart there. It is somebody else's heart. Because your heart is stolen by her. Are you with me? Okay? कोई चोरी करे खजाने की, कोई लूनी की या टूनी की. You know, somebody steals a big treasure like Conrad Black. He will steal millions. And somebody will steal loony and toony. Are you with me? कोई चोरी करे खजाने की, कोई लूनी की या टूनी की, कोई छोटा चोर, कोई मोटा चोर, और सबसे बड़ा television chore. The biggest thief is the television, brother. Are you with me? So if we can control ourselves we have to watch news and things like that. But if we control ourselves, brother, and take out some time to study, brother, rewards are limitless. Untold rewards will fall in your lap. And the greatest of all the reward will be studying of the Quran. Quran is the nur, the switch is off. Are you with me? Now, this Arabic course is the switch. It's the golden key. It's the magic key. It will open the doors of the Quran for us. Okay, inshallah. Okay, ready, brother? So you'll remember this, huh? What will you remember? Is duniya mein sab chor chor. Okay. That is correct too, brother. Okay. Yeah.
I have a question related to this. When you say ma ismuka or ma lugatika,
Ma lugatuka.
ma lugat, okay, that's right here.
Ma lugatuka, brother. And she said it is ma lugatuka. So lugatuka, what is lugatuka? Mudaf mudaf ilayhi. Lugatuka, what is lugatuka? Mudaf mudaf ilayhi.
So why do you change that to, when you make it, the answer, it goes to majroor?
No, you say lugati.
Yeah, why?
Ya mutakallim came.
Oh,
Are you with me? It is still lugatu. But ya mutakallim came and it became lugati. Huh? So you got to, whenever you will answer and use ya mutakallim, then you will always have to make majroor. You didn't make it. Ya made it. Okay? You are innocent. Okay? Okay. Okay, are you with me? Where are we now, brother? Ahindaka darrajatun? Naam, indi darrajatun. Ahindaka kalamun? Naam, indi kalamun. See how we are using indaka became indi. Okay, fine. Ahindaka daftarun? Naam, indi daftarun. Fine. Abuka tajirun? Naam, abi tajirun. See? Write it and then you will understand fully. If you won't write, brother, maza nahi aayega. Writing is important. Aina abuhu. Now you see, aina abuhu. What will you say? Abuhu fil Kuwait or fil Japan, whatever you want to say. Aina ummuhu. Ummuhu aidan fil Kuwait. You can say. What did I skip? Min aina Muhammadun. Okay. Huwa minal Hindi. Ma lugatuhu. Now you see, Sister Salma, ma lugatuhu. What will you say? Lugatuhu al-urdiyatu. Got the idea? Inshallah. Aina abuhu? Abuhu fil Kuwait. Aina ummuhu? Ummuhu aidan fil Kuwait. See what Dr. Abdurrahim is doing. He's turning around the questions with different pronouns, so that we get a good practice of pronouns, the use of pronouns. And writing will make you say, Aina, min aina Hamza? Huwa min al-Yabani. Very good. Ma lugatuhu? Lugatuhu al-Yabaniyatu. Okay? And then, Aina abuhu? Abuhu fil Japan. Fil Yabani. Fine. Aina Zainabu? Here, now you will say here, fil Iraq. Aina zawjuha? Zawjuha aidan fil Iraq. Azawjuha mudarrisun? La. Zawjuha muhandisun, or you can say huwa muhandisun. He is. Okay. Now next question was very easy, brothers and sisters. Was it very easy? Hadhil bintu talibatun. Got the idea? No vowel sign. Can you put the vowel sign? Hadhil bintu talibatun. There is no way you want to give kasra anywhere. Ismu ha Zainabu. MashaAllah. Muhammadun tabibun. Wabnu who? Muhandisun. Because we have only 2 pronouns to use. Out of 14, we are only using who and ha. Okay, brother? Hadha ar-rajulu tajirun kabirun. Hadha rajulu tajirun kabirun. Ismu hu? Abdullahi. See how easy it becomes now. You get the idea of using pronouns, inshallah. Okay. Aminatu fil ghurfati wa ummuha fil matbahi. See, when fi came, matbahi became. Aishatu tabibatun wa ukhtuha mumarridatun, nurse. Kharaja Muhammadun min al-fasli wa kharaja ma'ahu zamiluhu. So I asked you yesterday, kharaja has come. Where is the file? Zamilu. What was the file? Zamilu. See, ma is zarf. As brothers and sisters, we know that jar majroor or zarf and mudaf ilayhi can never become mubtada. Similarly, they can never become file also. Because file is always marfu. Mubtada marfu, file always marfu. Always marfu. Okay, fine. Brothers and sisters? Indaka kalamun? Naam indi kalamun. So you have to now, I will say 5 sentences and you will reply loudly. Indaka darrajatun? Indaka kitabun? Indaka baytun? See, you got the idea? Indaka sayaratun? Indi sayaratun. Very good. Now you have to negate it. Indaka kalamun? La, ma indi kalamun. Indaka sayaratun? La, ma indi sayaratun. Indaka kitabun? La, ma indi kitabun. Indaka baytun? La, ma indi baytun. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Fine. And then the next exercise, I explained you. Adif means add. Adif asma al-atiyata to the following names. Ila mutakallim. What is mutakallim? Ya. Mukhatab is ka. And ghaib is who. Wa ghaibatu huma ha. Ghaibatu became ha. Kama huwa muwaddahun fil misal. As it is explained in the example. Kalamun, hadha kalami, hadha kalamuka, hadha kalamuhu, hadha kalamuha. I hope you made practice. Ready? First one. What will you say? Everybody together. Hadha kitabi. Hadha kitabuka. Hadha kitabuhu. Hadha kitabuha. Now, brother, how can you do it so well now? Because now you understand. What we are doing, we are understanding everything. Are you with me, brothers and sisters, inshallah? Sarirun. Hadha sariri. Hadha sariruka. Hadha sariruhu. Hadha sariruha. Next one. Ismu. Now you have to be careful. Hazasmi. Hazasmuka. Hazasmuhu. Hazasmuha. Okay. Mindilun. Hadha mindili. Hadha mindiluka. Hadha mindiluhu. Hadha mindiluha. Next one, brother. Hazabni. Hazabnuka. Hazabnuhu. Hazabnuha. Okay. Sayarati. Hazihi sayarati. Hazihi sayaratuka. Hazihi sayaratuhu. Hazihi sayaratuha. Very good. Miftahun. Hadha miftahi. Hadha miftahuka. Hadha miftahuhu. Hadha miftahuha. Are you with me? Miftahuha. Hadihi yadi. Hadihi yaduka. Hadihi yaduhu. Hadihi yaduha. See, it was very easy, inshallah. Now, we have been given 4. Li, laka, lahu, laha. And see, now they are not in sequence, but we have practiced it. Let us do one more time. Starting from lahu. And do it faster, brother. Ready? Lahu, lahu, lahuma, lahum, laha, lahuma, lahunna, laka, lakuma, lakum, laki, lakuma, lakunna, li, lana. We will say fast, brother, inshallah, next time also. Try. We'll try. Okay, inshallah. Now, brother and sister, here are 4 sentences. This is for reading, but I would request you to write also. Inshallah. Li. What is li, brother? Jar majrur. Can it be mubtada? No. What is it then here? Khabar. Put a circle. Remember we circled khabar? Li. Jar majrur shibu jumla khabar. Where is mubtada, brother? Ukhtun. And what is wahidatun? Naat. Very good. Alaka akhun. Do you have a brother? What is the answer? La. What is ma? Harfu nafi. What is it? Harfu nafi. A particle of negation. Harfu nafi. Very good. What is li? Jar majrur shibu jumla khabar. Where is mubtada? Akhun. Got the idea? Alhamdulillah. Why akhun came late? He stopped at Tim Hortons to get his coffee. Okay. Now comes again, brothers and sisters, something I am getting little bolder with you to show you all these things. Many times I skip this. I only translate. But this time I'm getting little bolder. Because I think you all of you are mashallah, mashallah. Excellent, excellent. Okay. I gave you a page in which 5 kinds of khabar are mentioned. Now some scholars will say the khabar is of 3 kinds. What will they say? First is mufrad, one word. And if the khabar is one word, it is always marfu. It is always marfu. The second section they say shibu jumla. Now you see shibu jumla is of 2 kinds. One is, shibu jumla means phrase. One is jar majroor and other is zarf. Are you with me? So you can say that also, brothers and sisters. But if you separate them, then they become 2 and 3. Sahi? Now the third section is a jumla can come as a khabar. Okay? Now how many kinds of jumla? Jumla ismiya and jumla fi'liya. Okay? So it's very easy to identify jumla fi'liya. For example, Hamidun Zahaba ila Suq. So Hamidun is our mubtada. Oh, where is the khabar? Zahaba ila Suq. It has got fi'l and fa'il and everything. So whole jumla came as a khabar. Now a jumla ismiya can come as a khabar. Jumla ismiya can come as a khabar. So we have to watch. We have to watch. And I'm trying to explain you in as simple a way as it is possible. First and foremost thing, when the mubtada comes, you keep it aside and look to the other sentence. After looking to that other sentence, you decide what it is. For example, here is ukhti. What is ukhti, brothers and sisters? Yes, he is right. Ukhtu is mubtada, wa huwa mudaf, and ya mutakallim is mudaf. See, Sister Salma, I said ukhtu. Actually, it is ukhtu. Why is ukhti? Because of the ya mutakallim. Sahi? This brought it down. So we have ukhtu as a mubtada, wa huwa mudaf, and ya mutakallim mudaf ilayh. Now forget it. And what is the next sentence? Laha tiflun saghirun. Now tell me what is laha? Jar majrur. Jar majrur can never be mubtada. Jar majrur, shibu jumla, khabar. But then what is tiflun? Mubtada. And it's a naat. So we again have here a sentence. Apart from this, we have a sentence in which there is a jar majrur shibu jumla khabar, there is a mubtada, and there is a naat. Huh, brothers and sisters? Now, what is this sentence doing here? Acting as a khabar for the mubtada in the beginning. Are you with me? So what will you call this, Sister Arifa? This is mubtada. We forget it for the time being. And we now concentrate on this. This is a jumla. Jar majrur, shibu jumla khabar, mubtada, na. Now, is this a sentence? What kind of a sentence is this? Jumla ismiya. So whole jumla ismiya came as a khabar for ukhti. Now, this is also possible. And in the Quran it will come. Wallahu mubtada. Indahu husnu sawab. So indahu husnu sawab is a separate jumla which came as a khabar for Allah. And we will be doing a lot of examples to make you strong, brother. Now the next sentence, zamili. What is zamili? It is mudaf ilayhi. Originally it is zamilu. But Ya Mutakalim brought it down. So zamilu is your mubtada, wa huwa mudaf, and mudaf ilayhi. Leave it aside. Are you with me? Forget it for the time being. It does not exist. Okay? What is the next one? Lahu, jar majrur. What is this, brothers and sisters? Ukhtun. Oh, akhun, I beg your pardon. Akhun. Wa ukhtun, I beg your pardon. Okay, this is very interesting. Okay, zamili, I know zamili. Zamilu mubtada, wa huwa mudaf and mudaf ilayh. Leave it aside. Forget as if it doesn't exist. Okay. Then what is lahu? Jar majrur, shibu jumla khabar. Where is our mubtada? Akhun. Nahi, thariye. Huh? Akhun is our mubtada. And what is wow? Ataf. And what is ukhtun? Ma'tufun ala? It is akhun. What will you say? Ma'tufun ala akhun. Are you with me? Nahi, somebody? Okay. What is this, sister? Mubtada. What is this? Ataf. Huh? That is conjunction. And. So what is this ukhtun? Do you call it mubtada? No. Mubtada is here. Why this is marfu as like akhun marfu? Because it is connected to this by way of wow. Okay. What do we call it in Arabic? Ma'tufun. Remember we have done it. Huh? Don't you remember? Ash-shamsu wal kamaru fis samai. Remember? And we did that it is al-kamaru is ma'tufun ala shamsu. So brother, ukhtun is ma'tufun ala akhun. In other words, it is connected with akhun by way of wow. Are you with me? Fine. Now this whole jumla, what is this whole jumla doing? Is a khabar for zamil. Is it clear now? Inshallah. So in other words, jumla ismiya can also come as a khabar. And it will have this kind of a situation, inshallah. Very good, brothers and sisters. Now the next one is nakulu. What is the meaning of nakulu? We say. We are going to do these verbs later on in book 2. Indi kitabun. When you are talking about your own personal possession of things, you will say indi kitabun, indi baitun, indi sayaratun. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Okay. Nakulu, when you have to talk about your brothers and sisters, you don't say indi, you say li. Li akhun, li ukhtun. La nakulu, we don't say indi akhun. That will be a very poor Arabic. Incorrect. But we will remember this, inshallah. Now comes ma'a. Okay? The use of ma'a. Brothers and sisters, what is ma'a? Zarf. What will follow after it? Mudaf ilayhi. Khalas, brother. That's it. That's it. Okay? So, we are going to analyze, for the fun of it, so that you become stronger and you will translate. And inshallah, you will write at home. Kharaja Hamidun Ma'a Khalidin. Brother, see, as soon as Ma'a came, Khalidun became Khalidin. Why? Mudhaf ilayhi. MashaAllah. MashaAllah. See how easy and beautiful and logical it is. Once you know the rules, brother, what shall I say? It is all halwa puri. Okay. Zahabat tabibu. Okay, I forgot something. Kharaja fi'al. Where is the file? Hamidun. Here the file I can see. Marfu. Kharajat. Zahabat tabibu. Where is the verb? Zahaba. Where is the file? Atabibu. Okay. Ma'al muhandi si. Al muhandi si. You got the idea? With muhandis. We will say zarf and mudaf ilayhi. Because this is jumla fi'liya. In jumla fi'liya, we don't talk about khabar and mubtada. We are only concerned with fi'al and fa'il. Jalasal mudarrisu ma'al mudir. Jalasal mudarrisu ma'al mudiri. Okay, but jalasa is fi'al. Where is the fa'il? Al mudarrisu. What is ma'a? Zarf. What is al mudiri? Mudaf ilayhi. Khalas, brother. Man ma'aka ya aliyu. What is the translation? Who is with you, ya Ali? Man ma'aka. See, ma'aka, what is ma'aka? Zarf and mudaf ilayhi. Zarf and mudaf ilayhi.